Today, we're going to talk about the academic catalog and the university course inventory. The academic catalog will be your best friend as you familiarize yourself with your academic program. This catalog allows you to search any major, minor, or other academic program offered at SNU to see all of the required courses and prerequisite courses you'll need to complete. To access the academic catalog, first log on to my SNU. On the left-hand side, under the academic section of the self-service tab, click on Academic Catalogs. From the list on the left, select University College Programs. A list of all programs offered on campus at SNU will now appear by school. Please note that some programs may appear several times as they may represent different forms of that program. Let's look at Computer Information Technology under the School of Business as an example. You will see that Computer Information Technology appears 4 times. Once as a minor, once as an associate's degree, as a Bachelor of the Arts degree, and as a Bachelor of the Sciences degree. Scroll through to find your desired major and click on that major. For this example, we will use Communication under the School of Arts and Sciences. When you click on a program, the full curriculum will appear, separated by section of your degree. If you click on a course, you will see the course description, any prerequisite courses, which are courses that you must take before you can register for this course, the number of credits, and if it fulfills any general education exploration course areas. You can also use our course inventory to search for courses offered at SNU. To access the university course inventory, log on to SNU again, and under the Self-Service Academic tab on the left, select Academic Catalogs. Then select University Course Inventory. There are several ways to look up courses. If you scroll down on the page, you will see a long list of courses separated by subjects in alphabetical order. You can also use the course filter to find a course. First, select a prefix. For example, we'll use ACC for accounting. If you click on filter, you'll see all the courses that are in accounting. You can also look for a specific course by typing in a course code or number. This shows you the one specific course that you're looking for. If you are looking for a course that will fulfill one of your general education categories, you can also type in one of the general education codes, which are listed just above the course filter on the left, as you can see here. So let's show you an example. Under the keyword or phrase, we'll type in eSTEM for exploration, science, technology, and mathematics. When you click filter, you'll see all of the courses that fulfill this general education exploration requirement. Be sure to check out our other program evaluation videos for more helpful tips on how to read your program evaluation.